my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So as you can see from the title, today I'm gonna be creating a fox eye makeup look. Basically, fox eye is a social media trend which is inspired by famous models and actresses like Megan Fox and model Bella Hadid, who have almond-shaped eye lift at the outer corner to smoldering effect. Basically, people are spending a lot of money to get that eye lift, but today I'm going to achieve that look by some of my makeup tricks. So the angle we should be making to achieve the look is to keep your brush from your nose to your ears, and everything is going to be up and out direction. So firstly, I will be starting off with my eyebrows. So here I am taking this dark black shade from Swiss Beauty eyebrow kit, and I'll be keeping my hand movement towards my ears, and here I'm slowly filling my gaps. Though my eyebrows are quite thick, I'm just filling the gaps very slowly I'm doing it. Now I'll be taking a concealer and be cleaning the edges. Now with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm blending it all. Now taking this nude shade from the palette, I'll be placing it on the lower corner of my eye and just flicking it outwards. See, basically the trick of this eye makeup is just to flick it out to make it more like almond shape. So I'm just placing a bit, and we'll be building it up with a more darker shade now. Just flick and flick it out. Slowly we need to build the color. Basically, I'm not a very big fan of this fox eye or cat eye, but yeah, the moment I saw it, I just felt that okay, now I have to recreate this. So now we'll be taking this more darker shade, and see the way I'm doing it, I'm placing on the outer corner of my eye, and here you can see that we are kind of in the process of achieving this look. So now again taking this black shade and keeping it like as we were doing earlier, placing it on the outer corner and flicking it outwards. Now taking this shimmery shade from the palette and placing it from the fingers, and then blending it with this fluffy blending brush and cleaning the edges to make it more soft. Now for the foundation, I'll be mixing Lakme 95cc cream and foundation by Swiss Beauty. I'm so sorry I forgot the number, but I'll be placing all the details of the products I'm using in the description box so you can check it out. Now blending it all with the damp beauty blender. I think this combination is kind of perfect for me, for my skin tone. I'm like kind of liking it. Now taking this concealer from Swiss Beauty again, placing it under my eyes, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, on the chin, around the mouth, and now blending it with the same beauty blender that we used for the foundation. Now here for setting up my concealer, I'm using setting powder by Maybelline. Now to give that outer effect, we'll be contouring our face, and the contour here I'm using is by LA and Colors. This is a very cool tone shade which I guess looks beautiful on every skin tone. I just love it. And the highlighter here I'm using is Instant Glow, and this is a very beautiful golden shade, kind of a brick. And yeah, if you by mistake tend to get a bit with the heavy hand, you can always clean it up with the beauty blender. And I'll be using little bit on my nose to give a very soft shine. And earlier I forgot to contour my nose, and now I'm doing it. I'm slightly contouring my nose. Now we'll be completing the rest of our eye makeup, and this is the most fun part of this eye makeup. And the kohl pencil here I'm using by MAC, and slowly building the color, and from the inner edge of the eye we'll be dropping it down towards our nose like this, and joining it with the inner lash line. As you can see, and now smoking it out our lower lash line with the same neutral shade that we used first time on the outer corner of our eye. And the lipstick here I'm using is by Mars. This is a very pinkish nudish kind of shade, and it's kind of shade which you can wear on the daily basis. Now preparing my eyelashes for the mascara, and the mascara here I'm using is by Maybelline. So, and I have put my lashes on, and here is the final look. As you can see, everything is moving outwards, and here I kind of tried to achieve this look. If you guys love this, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And till then, I see you soon in my next video. Bye.